Unlock the secret to peaceful nights with turmeric in warm water, your ticket to sound sleep. Here's how it works. Take a cup of warm water and add a pinch of turmeric. Stir it well until the water turns a soothing, golden hue. Then, sip it slowly. Turmeric's natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help calm your cough and reduce irritation. Feel the gentle warmth of this concoction as it glides down your throat. Turmeric's magical touch soothes and heals. Drift into dreamland with this natural elixir by your side. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel.